Hey guys, so it's been kind of a while since I've been here, and I know you're gonna say, what's going on with your face? Okay, we're getting to that. That's the whole point of today's video. Let me see if I can adjust this lighting though, because I look real crazy. Ooh, warm lights? Maybe. The reason why my face looks like this is because I decided to use a self tanner. So you can see my hands, like my palms are kind of the same color as my face. This foundation is a little bit light on my face. I could have gone a little bit darker, but I wanted to show you guys how dark my self tan was. So this fake tan has been on for 8 days. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like spots and it's coming off in patches. It's very, very patchy right now. Oh, you can definitely see it. Look on my chest. Or you see how, like, especially here, it's very streaky and kind of like lava-y and just not great. I keep trying to tan this summer and I just cannot seem to tan. I keep burning. So fake tan is developed really, really, really dark. Really, really beautiful. This is my, I believe, 3rd time using it. And it's a fantastic tan. However, like, I don't do any type of maintenance. I don't moisturize, I don't exfoliate. I barely drink water. Like, I do nothing. So I wanted to come on here and make this video before I take it all off and do it all again. And I'm gonna do a video on how I do the self tan too. It's right behind me, but I want to show you guys how to take off the self tan. So this method, like, per time you do it, because this should last you, like, I want to say at least 10 times, but probably closer to 20 times. So if you do it like that, this will cost you like less than 50 cents a time. It's extremely cheap. Altogether on these 3 products, I spent less than $10. It's really cheap, it's really easy, and I just want to show you. Okay, let me show you what I got. First, I got this Johnson & Johnson baby oil. Now, I bought this from Target and it was a little bit more expensive than it is at like Walmart. At Walmart, this was a bottle a little bit bigger than this. It was actually $2. At Target, it was like almost $4. So I suggest go to Target, no, don't go to Target. Go to Walmart and get yourself a big jar of baby oil. I don't know why this one was like more expensive, but yeah, get yourself some baby oil, about $2. Whee! Next, I got this Dr. Teals Pink Himalayan salt scrub. I've actually never tried this one before, but I just finished a different salt scrub, and any type of like salt scrub, exfoliator scrub, any type of scrub at all is really gonna help. This Dr. Teals, I believe, was also around $4 at Target. So yeah, definitely get this, but you can get any type of scrub. Even the dollar store has the scrubs, so just get yourself a good scrub. And then I also got myself these Eco Tool bath and shower gloves. They're like little exfoliator gloves. You can really get like any type of loofah or exfoliator brush, anything like that. I've never tried these, but I really wanted to try them. They looked good. They're made out of recycled material, and I thought that was kind of cool, so I want to try it. So step number 1, you're going to want to wear something that you don't mind if it gets stained, because it might get stained. And you're going to want to get your hair out of the way because it's going to get a little bit messy in here. First thing we're going to want to do, give it a little shake. Not that it matters, but I don't know why they have like a safety cap on it. You're going to want to put it on your skin. Ooh. And you're going to want to put like a lot on. So I'm not going to show you me putting this all over my skin because that's going to take a good amount of time. I'm trying also to not get it on the floor. I should have put down a towel, but I wasn't really thinking about it. If you're not like super shiny, you didn't put enough on. But anyway, you're going to want to put this all over. Whole body, neck, everywhere you've put the self tan. And you just want to let it sit for 30 minutes. You don't really need to do more than 30 minutes. If you want to, you can. But what this is gonna do is basically just help your skin like shed the old dead cells that have retained all this like pigment from the self tanner. So yeah, just do that and I'll check back in with you in 30 minutes. I want to show you guys kind of what's going on. So it's only been sitting on for maybe 3 minutes, but you can already see that it's separating a little tiny bit. Not a ton, but a little bit. You can see right there, it's starting to separate. Hello, so it's been 30 minutes. I think that it's actually pretty dramatic now. You can see where it's like lifted, like over here. You can see it's lifted a lot. I actually think it's separating really, really nicely. I'm actually really happy with it. So here's the next step. It's been 30 minutes. You want to hop in the shower. You want it to be pretty warm. Definitely like at least a 5-minute shower, or if you have a bath works better, but get in there for at least 5 minutes. Let your skin like soak basically. And then you're going to want to get soap. Try to get all the oil off the best that you can. I find that non-fragrant soap helps better, and like white bar soap helps better. I just feel like it has more of like almost like a bleaching effect on things like this, and not really so much for the skin where it strips like the skin, but like for this like type of color that I put on, like this like artificial colors. Once you've washed all the oil off, then that's when you're going to want to grab your salt scrub, whatever you have. And you're going to want to just get like little scoops, and you're going to want to go in circles in little areas. Take your time, don't rush it, just little circles the best you can. Once you've done that, put on your gloves and lather yourself up with soap again, and again little tiny circular scrubs all over until you feel you've gotten it all up. And when I'm done with that, I'll check back in with you. And so you can see it is still kind of dark. It's a little bit dark, but you can tell it matches my face a little bit better now. There's no obvious tan line anywhere. The separation between my face and my neck is a lot better. Some places were easier to take off than others, and also I just got out of the shower like just a second. So some places were easier to get off than others. Obviously like the elbow, a very dry place, harder to get off. This, a lot easier to get off. And I have just the slightest bit of actual natural tan, and my body is naturally a little bit darker than my face. I would say a good 90% of it came off. Obviously it's not 100%, but I will probably, ooh, look at this light. This light actually shows off a little bit better what I'm talking about. You can see the red undertones in my skin. But a lot of the tan wore off, and I'm probably going to do this again tomorrow just to get the remaining tan off. So I'm going to check back up on you tomorrow, and actually tomorrow I'm not going to even use the oil. I'm just going to use the exfoliator just to try to exfoliate the rest of this off. So let me catch back up with you in the morning after I exfoliate again and let my skin relax. So it is now the next day, and my makeup is kind of done, but you can see I'm actually wearing a few shades lighter today. Before I showed you that I was wearing the T50, now I'm wearing the T20, which is much closer to my actual skin tone. I actually brought it down to my neck right here. You can see the line of the makeup. So this T20 is actually way lighter than my skin tone right now, which means that a lot of the fake tan has come off. This morning all I did was scrub a little bit. I didn't scrub my elbows, but you can see everything around my elbows is gone. So yeah, I think it really did work. It really helped. It's basically all gone other than my elbows. If you want to remove your self tanner and you want to do it the cheapest way possible, that's not really going to be too harsh on your skin, then definitely try this. And if you do it, tag me, let me know how it worked for you. And I hope this video was really helpful. I can't wait to talk to you guys again soon. Bye, love you. Mwah.